We've captured the Eight Tails. Now let's get it to the rendezvous.
What is it, Karin?
Cloud units. They've surrounded us already.
Man, what should we do, Sasuke?
Break through.
Right.
Suigetsu and I will clear a path. Karin, Jugo, you take care of the Eight Tails.
Okay.
But Sasuke, you just got done fighting the Eight Tails. Are you sure you're all right?
Compared to the Eight Tails, these guys are nothing. Piece of cake. Let's go, Suigetsu.
Wait, hey!
All right, let's tear this place up!
Your life ends here.
Mission start.
So you're really gonna do this, Sasuke?
How many times do I have to tell you? There's nothing to it.
You're such a worrywart. When it comes to Sasuke, at least. The nerve. They just keep coming out, one right after the other.
You won't make it back alive!
Out of my way.
Chidori 3! Chidori 3!
Don't ever mess with an Uchiha.
Don't interfere! Chidori Shark!
If you want to challenge me, it's not gonna be pretty. I'll exterminate anyone who gets in my way. If that's a problem, then keep your distance.
Don't interfere! Chidori Shark!
If you want to challenge me, it's not gonna be pretty.
Water style! Water phase bullet!
Sasuke?
I'll exterminate anyone who gets in my way. If that's a problem, keep your distance. If you want to challenge me, it's not gonna be pretty. I'll exterminate anyone who gets in my way. If that's a problem, keep your distance. If you want to challenge me, it's not gonna be pretty.
Water phase bullet!
Don't ever mess with an Uchiha. Great. We're about to leave the hidden cloud.
Yeah.
Mission complete. That's it. It's over.
Karin,
The coast is clear. I don't sense their chakra anymore.
We did it, Sasuke. We got through.
you don't say.
It looks like they got you pretty bad.
What did I tell you? You're always pushing yourself too hard.
What do you want to do? Rest a bit?
No, let's push on. We're almost at the rendezvous point. It's after we deliver the Eight Tails that the real fun begins.